How to invite friends to a party on Steam. Now for this to work, you need to make sure you're online and that you didn't block your friend. And you gotta make sure that the person you gonna be in a party with is your friend. Now you're gonna do this by heading over to your username right here and click on friends. Here, click on add a friend. You're either gonna copy this code, give it to the friend, and your friend can enter the code you've sent them here. Or what you can do is copy this link right here and send them to them. Once they enter this link, they're gonna be able to add you as a friend. Now once you've added them as a friend, you can go back and you can do this while playing a game or not playing a game. Now as you can see, I'm currently playing the game. When I close out of it, I'm gonna go to Steam and click on the friends and chat at the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And here, as you can see, my friend is online. I'm going to right click and here I can send a message or find games to play together. And from here, I can invite him to a party. And that's how to invite your friends to a party on Steam. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.